No. Yeah.
Yeah,
You are?
okay.
All right. So literally, you just. So here's his. Do you see his crow's feet right here? Zoom up close on his crow's feet. Just gonna tap it in. I call them smile lines. I shouldn't say crow's feet because I'm just starting to get them too. Where your skin elasticity doesn't like bounce back the same or whatever. And then we're gonna do. Try not to smile. I know that's so hard for you. And then you're just gonna fan it for like 60 seconds. Do you see them already disappearing?
Yeah.
Come here, get up closer so you can see those lines. You guys see this? If you do this and you just, with friends, there's mornings that I wake up personally with like bags under my eyes. Like I might even have now because I've been crying a lot this weekend, but with bags under my eyes, and I'll do it to myself. And it's not a ton, but you can see like when I have the black bags. Oh my God, look at this. This is fabulous. Oh my God, don't smile. You guys, come here. You have to check out what this Ageless just did to Richard.
His forehead is like night and day.
Look, he looks like he just lost 10 years. We're about done. It's about done. Can you feel it like sticky or like drying? Don't smile yet. We'll have to post the before and after.
That's amazing.
But so this will last 8 to 10 hours.
Yeah.
So don't move your thing. Try to like let it. Wow, look at it. Look, are you zoomed in on this? On his. We're gonna do before and after picture too. So you have to go around with half your face so you can show people the difference. All right. Let me take an after picture. But zoom in. Did you zoom in?
Go on. All right.